It's the first prequel of the chickens episode. Hello, wet chickens. Let's go see the others. Let's go. Okay. It's really hard to record like this. I'm not kidding. Oh, look who it is. The small ones that we got in mid-April. It's June now. They're like almost a whole year now. No, it's only been 2 months. What am I saying? Hello. I'm a fellow chicken. Oh god, it's still like raining out. Hello. What are you two talking about back there? Yeah? Okay. What Albert stuff? Oh, okay. Hello. Hello, little chickies. I've never gone actually this close up to you in a long time. And they're soaked also. And why were you two across the street earlier? You and you. And you. 6. You. Not everybody else, because we cannot hold 6 people and look at the chickens at the same time. There's like rain dropping. Come on. It's raining again. Okay, so this is the end of the video. We'll post this in like a few minutes. Okay, see ya.